Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the interesting things that will happen to Windows 11 22H2, and unfortunately it seems that it's only on 22H2 that this is going to happen. So we get different updates from time to time. We get updates for .NET Framework, we get the regular, Patch Tuesday updates for security. We also have the bug fixing updates. One of the things about the updates in Windows 11 is we knew that they were more specific and that they were smaller and that they were more optimized and technically should require less restarts. And this is interesting because that was the case and it is more efficient than Windows 10, but it is to become even more efficient. And the next updates that are going to appear with the Windows updates, one of the updates that's going to show up is going to actually also apply this optimization of updates to other updates, including the .NET Framework. Apparently, some of the updates are actually capable of being up to 50% smaller when they apply the optimization. And they do require only one restart in general. So they want to make this more efficient, more, update in the background, try to not annoy anybody. So this is only on 22H2. They did announce and they did specify that 22H2 is the only version that's going to get it. And of course, including every version forward. Which is sad. I find it interesting that they really want you to try and do things with Windows 11. I get it, but I think that, if you can optimize it for Windows 11, why don't you optimize it for everybody on whatever version of Windows? Now, definitely Windows 11 21H2, I get it that, it's going to... the support is going to end by the end of this year. So, okay, focus on 22H2. I have no problem. But Windows 10 would, kind of be nice to have that on Windows 10 also. But unfortunately, that's not the case. So future updates are going to be optimized. Now, it's not yet implemented. It has been sent to the release preview and the insiders. There, they are testing it, which means that the next update and maybe the next bug fixing update will actually have the better optimized and faster updates in Windows 11 22H2 for pretty much everything that updates through Windows Update, including, for the most part, no restarts or one restart only. So hopefully this is going to help also in those that might have some issues with Windows Update at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.